I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. I've done this a couple times now. Maybe I can do it without my battery running down or something like that. But welcome. Today I'm going to make egg roll in a bowl. I've not tried that yet, so I've already got, already have my ground pork in here cooking up. Probably should turn my heat down a little bit. And I also went ahead and did toast some sesame seeds if you want to use sesame seeds in it. You don't have to though. But this is a pound of ground pork. And I've got some brown sugar I'm going to put in it. You can put brown swerve sweetener in it if you want to, or brown sweetener. It doesn't have to be swerve. But I've got that and some soy sauce, some ginger, some ground ginger, and some ground garlic. And then I have a bag of the pre-made. Yeah, this is going to be an easy one. Y'all, this is going to be an easy one. Some of the pre-sliced slaw mix. The 2 different kinds of cabbage in it and the carrots. And I diced up some onion too that we're just going to add to this once we get all of this ground pork browned up. We want it done. You can't eat pork if it's half cooked, okay? It might give you the bellyache. So right up. Okay, we've got this all browned up now. That took about 10 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and add some brown sugar to this. That was almost a 1/4 of a cup. You don't have to put it in if you don't want to, again, or you can use the brown sweetener, which I would typically do, but didn't today. And next up, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup, or maybe just a little more, of the soy sauce, and I'm using the low sodium sauce. Again, you can use cocoa aminos. If you want. So we'll start it out with a 1/4 cup and go from there. I want to give it a good stir. And then we're going to add our garlic powder and our ginger. So I'm going to go with 1/2 teaspoon. This is the 4th teaspoon measure because it's the one that fits in my little jar here. So that was the ginger, and here is our garlic powder. Smells good. Okay. Now, let's get this all stirred in, and then I'm going to put in the cabbage mix. And I'll put onions in with this. I've already diced them up and stuck them down in the bag here, so. And it'll cook down quite a bit if you want to go ahead and put the full bag in, which is what I'm going to do, because Tom will probably take some of this for his lunch tomorrow. So. And we're just going to let it cook down. I'm going to snag me a little. Nice and fresh. Just like we want it to be. Okay. But yes, I'm going to let this cook down. And as it looks like the vegetables are starting to wilt down, and it'll be pretty much done by then. You can leave some crunch to it if you want to. I'm not going to put any salt in it because the soy sauce is plenty salt enough. But I am going to put some pepper in it. Now you can put some some cayenne pepper in it if you want to, or whatever you like to use to put a little spice into it. But I'm going to use black pepper, and then I'm going to use a little bit of crushed red pepper that I know I have in here somewhere. Aha! There it is. But I'm going to put some of that in there. Probably a teaspoon. So it gives it a little bite to it. I'm going to go ahead and put all my other stuff away. And then just let you guys watch this cook down. You can put a lid on it if you want to. Probably should have got a bigger skillet, huh? Oh wait, I don't have a bigger skillet. Alright. Just stir it around so we can get those veggies down in there so it'll soak up that liquid from the soy sauce. Okay. I think it's ready to give it a taste. Little green onion on the top, and we'll find Tom, see if he'll give this a taste for us. Okay, here we go. It's a little bit hot. Yeah, as you can tell by the steam.
A little steamy.
Okay, does it need something more, or?
Need a bigger fork, but this is real good, y'all. Y'all need to try this.
Alright. Now, he doesn't like sesame seeds. I do. Okay. I can't put that in my mouth steaming like that, you all. You can see the steam coming out of the bowl down there at the bottom. Mmm. Perfect. Mmm. I've got a little more toasted sesame seeds that I'm, whoops, that I'm going to put on my, I got a piece, I got a little bit of that red crushed pepper there, y'all. Crushed red pepper. Woo! Yep, it lets you know what's in there, that's for sure. This is so good. Hey, if you all haven't subscribed yet, hope you will. click the subscription button and the notification bell so you know each time we put new content on. I think I'm going to go have supper now. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.